Is enlightenment comparable to heaven? Is enlightenment a place that we might arrive after we die? Or is it a mindset that we may live with? Enlightenment is not like heaven. It is, to free ourselves from our defilements and be able to truly and fully experience our true nature, our innate qualities. Of course, maybe, heaven, people have different ideas of heaven. From Buddhist point of view, maybe I don't know whether this is the time to talk here about that, but from Buddhist point of view, there is two states of mind. One is samsara, and one is nirvana or enlightenment, or whatever you call it. When we are in the samsaric state of mind, then we have the basic reason why we are in the samsaric state of mind, because we are ignorant. We don't see things clearly. We don't see the things as they really are. We have lots of defilements. We have lots of unclarity. We have lots of ignorance. We see everything in a dualistic way, and therefore we react with aversion, attachment, and things like that. So therefore, we create karma, and according to the level of positive or negative, then we are born in different realms. And from Buddhist point of view, sometimes we talk about 6 realms, sometimes 5 realms, but it's just a different way of categorizing. Hell realm, hungry ghost realm, animal realm, human realm, asura, or demigod's realm, or God's realm, which is sometimes called heaven. And these are all samsara. And heaven, or the God's realm, from Buddhist point of view, are also many different. There's a desire God's realm. There is form God's realm. There is formless God's realm. There are 6 levels of desire God's realm. There is 17 different levels of form God's realm. There is 4 different levels of formless God's realm, and these are all sometimes called heaven. They are called heaven. But these are within the samsara. Of course, they are higher level or better, very pleasurable and very nice, but they are still in the samsara. Then you can go beyond samsara. That is sometimes we call liberated. But there are also lots of different levels. Sometimes we call, stream entering, once returner, no more returner, arhat. That's one way of presenting. Sometimes, we talk about the five stages or 5 paths. The accumulation stage, joining stage, seeing stage, meditation stage, and no more meditation stage. So, like that. So these are, so when, there are also different levels. After you are liberated from samsara, or you are not really suffering in the samsaric state of mind. And there are also many Buddha fields, pure Buddha realms, pure realms we call them, which is that you can be born in a like a heaven, but very, very liberated heaven, where your mind is liberated from all negative emotions and things like that. And then it's much better, or it's more purified than this God's realms. So there are many things. It's quite complicated, but anyway, that's how it is.